Arkray, one of Japan's leading diagnostic company, brings to you Arkray Glucocard G Plus Blood Glucose Meter. A compact blood glucose meter for faster and easier blood glucose testing. Designed with advanced Japanese technology and manufactured in India, Arkray Glucocard G Plus enables you to go from diabetes to diabetes-easy. New Glucocard G Plus blood glucose meter box contains attractive carry case, Arkray Glucocard G Plus meter, Glucocard test strips, lancing device, lancets, and warranty card. Arkray Glucocard G Plus blood glucose meter comes with many features that make diabetes management easy. Arkray Glucocard G Plus is made in India and designed with trusted and advanced Japanese technology that ensures accurate results. Introducing a brand new feature in which all the test strips are individually packed. This minimizes exposure to humidity, ensuring accurate results and a longer shelf life of up to 18 months. Auto-coding function eliminates coding errors and ensures easy, stress-free and accurate self-testing at home. You can flag before and after meal results for easy identification. Result Level Indicator. Test results are classified into various levels for easy interpretation. The test strip Safe Eject button now offers you a safer and cleaner way to dispose of the used strip without touching it. And this smart blood glucose meter comes with a lifetime warranty too. Here's how to use the Arkray Glucocard G Plus blood glucose meter. Tear open one test strip packaging. Take out the strip and insert it into the Glucocard G Plus device. It turns on immediately upon inserting the strip. Ensure that the blood symbol is flashing on the device screen. If not, then take the strip out from the device and reinsert it till the blood symbol is flashing. Open the lid of the lancing device, insert the lancet into its holder fully and push hard. Then, twist it to remove the lancet's protective cover. Put back the lid of the lancing device to close it. Before performing the test, ensure your hands are clean and dry. To activate the lancing device, pull back the end and position it at the tip of your fingers and then press the button. Now, pick up the device and smear the inserted test strip tip with the blood drop. Hold the device tightly with your fingertip. Allow the blood to seep onto the dark-colored check window on the strip as the countdown from 7 begins on the screen. Remove the device with the strip from the blood drop on your finger. The reading will appear on the screen as soon as the countdown ends. Press the left button on the device to mark whether before or after meal result. The result level indicator will classify your test result as normal, high or low. Dispose of the used test strip safely without touching it. Point the test strip down and slide the test strip disposal lever on the device to eject it. Open the lancet device lid and insert the lancet tip into its cap. Push the side lever to eject out the lancet. Arkray Glucocard G Plus blood glucose meter.